Today we're taking a look at this 2011 Toyota Sienna SE wheelchair accessible van, equipped with a BraunAbility side entry automatic fold-out ramp system. If you're looking for a wheelchair accessible van that combines sporty styling, Toyota reliability, and trusted BraunAbility accessibility, this Sienna SE is a great option. This van has 88,250 miles and is powered by Toyota's dependable 3.5-liter V6 engine, giving you smooth performance for daily driving, appointments, errands, and longer road trips. On the outside, the Sienna SE features a sleek silver exterior with a sporty, clean appearance. Inside, you'll find a durable black cloth interior that's comfortable, practical, and easy to maintain. This van is also equipped with a sunroof, which adds natural light to the cabin and makes the ride feel more open and enjoyable. Now let's take a closer look at the accessibility features. The Sienna is equipped with the BraunAbility side entry conversion and an automatic fold-out ramp. So with the touch of a button, the side door opens and the ramp deploys, and the kneel system also deploys, making wheelchair access smooth, simple, and convenient. Another major benefit of this van is that it includes removable driver's side and passenger side seats. This gives you multiple seating options and driving configuration. Whether you need the wheelchair user to ride up front, transfer into the driver's position, or customize the layout for your needs. Side entry wheelchair vans are a great choice for those who want easy access through the side of the vehicle and a more traditional interior layout. They work especially well with the accessible parking spaces and offer convenient positioning inside the cabin. If you're interested in this wheelchair accessible van, contact BraunAbility store today. We offer financing options, warranty options, nationwide delivery, and real mobility specialists who are here to help you find the right vehicle for your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other wheelchair accessible vans here at BraunAbility store.